Right. Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Is voice clear? Offline students, did you join class? Okay. Last class we have completed entry questions, right? Hope all you people remember the topics we learned. Any of you have get a chance to revise? Did you get a chance to revise what we discussed in last class? Okay. So last class we have understood the most important topic. Can we call run method? What's your answer? Yes. What is the problem if we call run method directly? Custom thread is not created. Run method logic executed in main thread. Then next, can we call both run and start method? Yes, sir. Then if we call run method directly, it is executed in main thread, and via start method, it is executed in custom thread. Then tell me, here run method 2 times executed sequentially or concurrently? Come on, come on, come on. Here run method executed 2 times, sequentially or concurrently? Sequentially. Then the run method in the custom thread, main method for loop executed sequentially or concurrently? Concurrently. Nice, super. Then if I call start first and then run next, here also run method executed 2 times. Here run method executed 2 times concurrently or sequentially? Concurrently, because here already custom thread ready to execute. Wonderful, super, marvelous. Tell me now, can I call start method multiple times? Yes, but on different objects. Again repeating, can I call start method multiple times? Then answer is yes, but on different object. Can I call start method? Can I call start method on same object multiple times? No, it leads to illegal thread state exception. Then if you cannot call start method multiple times, then how can we execute? How can we create multiple custom threads? For creating multiple custom threads, you have two approaches. What is the approach number one? Create one subclass and create multiple objects and call start method on each object. Okay, then what is the problem in this approach? In this approach, logic run method logic executing multiple times with the same inputs. Then how can we do that? You have to execute your logic on a different input. Then how can I pass input to it? Can you hear me, guys? How can we pass input to it? For passing input to it, can I pass? Can I pass argument to run method? Not possible. Okay, we cannot pass argument to run method. We have to pass argument to the constructor, store in the non-static variable, and access in the run method. Okay. Then tell me whichever the value you want to use inside the run method, whichever the value you want to use in the run method, that type of variable you have to create and that type of parameter you must create. For example, if you want to take string type of value, if you want to use a string type value in the run method, then the instance variable must be string type and the parameter should be string type. For example, if you want to use one class object in the run method, then the instance variable type must be the class and the parameter should be the class. Everyone understood? Keep respond, otherwise I'll be in confusion whether networking or not. Be active in the chat window, everyone. Don't be like in regular class. Here I am running the class on mobile net. No, whether you are there or not there, I will be confusion. Okay, keep respond. Then next, what is the problem in this approach? We cannot execute different logics. Same logic multiple times executed. How can I execute different logic? Then as many different logics you want to execute, as many different logics you want to execute, those many subclasses I have to create. And then from each subclass, you must create object and call start method. Okay, this is what we have learned up to now. Now I completed 2 stages of multi-threading chapter. First one, creating custom thread and executing logic in a custom thread concurrent. Okay. And the second stage I completed creating multiple custom threads. Creating multiple custom threads. Okay. And executing logics concurrent. What logic? Same logic with same values, different values. Same logic and different logics. Okay, now these are 2 stages of multi-threading completed. So can you please confirm everyone got the confidence on this? First day I told you multi-threading chapter is very easy. Now my statement was correct. I said clearly multi-threading is very, very easy. In colleges and textbooks and YouTube, people made multi-threading very difficult. But it is damn simple, easy topic. Okay, what you are to learn in multi-threading, you are not learning how to develop logic. You are learning how to execute logic. For executing logic, just 3 things. Number one, thread class you should know. Number two, start method you must know. Number three, run method you should know. If you know these 3 things and then following by the logic you want to execute must be placed in a run method and call it by using start method. This is just a thing you have to follow. Okay, now this is the thing you have to follow. Except this, remaining everything is easy. Understood? Ah. So now I will give you one small question. Are you ready to work? Through that you have understood multi-threading. Do you remember? We have example class, three methods. We started our journey from here, right? I want you develop a multi-thread program to execute these three methods concurrent. Will you? Today our target is applying multi-threading chapter on the practicals. Someone asked, sir, will you teach one more program? Because this is the next program. Okay. Execute these three methods. Write down question. Write down question. Develop a multi-thread program. Develop a multi-thread program to run the example class methods concurrently. Everyone should develop. What completed? Did you get an idea?
No.
How many classes you are writing? Excellent, Tejas. Wonderful. 4 classes. Super. Look at here. M1 thread extends thread. Inside run method calling M1 method. M2 thread extends thread. Okay. M2 method is called. M3 thread extends thread. M3 method call. This is what I ask you to do. Okay, now? Got an idea? Then inside main method, I call created 3 objects and call the 3 methods. Then tell me program execution. Totally how many threads in the JVM now? Four threads. First one is main thread. Second one is custom thread. 1, custom thread. 2, custom thread. 3. First execution starts with what? Main method. Inside main method, main start. Then 3 threads are created. Main end, main thread close. Then JVM picks any one of the threads. Am I right? Assume that first M1 thread is taken. Then M1 thread start and then M1 thread end. Right? Then assume that M2 thread is taken. Tell me, in M2 thread, M2 method, we are asking the user to enter value. No? Then program execution is passed. When program execution is passed, is JVM also pass its execution? No. Then immediately JVM shifting to M3 thread. Okay, now JVM shifting to M3 thread. Then M3 thread logic executed and then it's complete. After that, now control is coming back to M2 thread and waiting for user to enter the value. Understand the flow? Right? Understood, guys? Look at here. Main start, main end. M3 start, M3 end. M2 start, look at that. When M2 start and passed, then JVM shifting to what? M1 start, M1 end, and from the message asking us to enter the value. Understood? Now tell me, any problem to other threads? Only which thread want to pass, it's pass. Remaining threads execution complete. This is the advantage of multi-threading chapter. Your entered number is 10 M2L. Okay. Everyone got understand the benefit of multi-threading? When one thread execution is passed, other thread execution is not passed. Okay. With this knowledge, if it is okay for you, I will try to develop one project. Ready? What is my project? Bank application. Inside bank, how many operations are happening? Deposit, withdraw. Okay. Deposit, multiple accounts can be there. Withdraw also, multiple accounts can be. Deposit withdraw methods we are defining in bank account class. Then from here, create one object, perform deposit, second object to perform deposit. Then withdraw, third object to perform withdraw. Then these three methods on these three objects must perform concurrently. Okay. Got clarity? Yeah? Can you develop this code yourself? Shall we try? You try, I try. Will you take a chance? 3 times same project I have explained. If you develop this project by your own, then I'm telling you, you will have super confidence on writing code, on given any task. ఏమంటారు? This is a project I want to develop. Write on this code. Develop a bank application with multi-threading features. Perform deposit and withdraw operation for 3 accounts concurrently. On account 1 and account 2 perform deposit operation. On account 3 perform withdraw operation concurrently from 3 threads. This is my question. I'll give you 10 minutes time. Can you complete it? Revise the previous example. I think we have written notes also, the project. What you did in that project, what are you doing here? Is there any difference in exception, custom exception class code? No. Any difference in bank account class, bank account super class, subclass? No. Only where is the difference? We main method. Previously you created objects in main method, calling methods in main method. Now where you have to write inside? User defined threads. Okay. We will do one thing. Instead of wasting the time, one time you, one time I, you keep on write the notes. Okay, na? Keep on write the program and one by one, you understand. Wherever you got it out, ask me, I'll explain. Everyone okay with this? Or will you try first? Are you there? Respond. What, yes, sir? Which one you want? Completely you try, while writing, you understand. While writing, okay, chalo. Write down. With this project, complete Java up to now, day one to till now, whatever you learn, everything should be revised. Multi-threading, exception handling, object-oriented programming, everything. Keep right on. Completed, guys? If I go once this exception completed, are you recollecting? This is a revision to you. It is a revision to you. I didn't choose the new project because I don't want you learn again. I want you revise. New project you have to develop by your own. That's why I'm choosing the existing project. Insufficient funds. Up to now, up to here, what happened? Exceptionally, object-oriented programming completed. Now, threads are started. Now tell me, your business logic is ready. In order to execute this business logic, you need what? Threads. We have already main thread. If I call deposit withdraw current balance methods inside main thread, then all threads are executed, all operations are executed sequential. But I want concurrently. If you want concurrently, what you have to do? You must require threads. Now we are entering into current chapter. Threads are meant for developing logic? No. Threads are meant for calling logic. So inside thread, inside run method, I want execute deposit method withdraw method. Now, everyone please think. To call deposit withdraw method, depositor thread inside run method, should I create bank account object or I should receive the bank account object? Very, very important question. Should we create bank account object or should we receive bank account object? Excellent. Receive. Super. Marvelous. Completed up to line number 88. Excellent. You people are rocking here. Huh? When I'm taking class online, you are giving all wrong answers. If I take offline, you are giving wrong answers. Online, all are giving right answers. I think we can continue only online. Is it okay? You are very sharp, Sule. No, no. Okay. Don't worry, I will not continue offline, online. Only offline will take. We'll come back from Monday. Okay, okay. Super. You super understood. I'm so satisfied. Finally, I succeeded in my job, making you understood Java. Okay, I made you all understood Java. I succeeded in my job. Now you have to apply your more knowledge on multiple examples with the help of ChatGPT. Okay. Uh, can you understand deposited thread? Taking bank account, I want to call deposit method. For that, I required account object and amount. So I should not create account object amount here because cashier in the real bank, cashier doesn't create account, doesn't have amount. He's asking the user to pass the account and asking user to pass amount. So cashier call the deposit method with the given account by passing given amount. So this account and amount must be the arguments. The arguments is what? Constructor. The constructor having two parameters. The two parameters receiving and storing the instance variable and access. Okay, this line is very important. And why I have written try catch? Because we need to catch this negative amount exception. Because negative amount exception is checked exception. I must handle. By seeing this deposit thread class, I want you develop yourself withdraw thread. Withdraw thread. Okay, try withdraw thread development by calling withdraw method. Guys, did you understand this withdraw program? And did you understand this Java 7 new feature? Catch with multiple exceptions. If everyone completed up to 128 line. So what is the flow? This is the depositor thread and this is withdraw thread. Okay. Then here deposit method, here withdraw. Okay. Did you understand this code? I need 3 accounts. Now depositor thread, 2 threads created. Account 1 is handling by first cashier. Account 2 is handling by second cashier. Okay. And account 3 is handling by third cashier. And then all 3 people are ready in the counters. Okay. Visualize banker. All 3 counters are ready. Once they occupy the chair, what they will do? They will open the counter. Open, close. Now open, open, open. Then the 3 threads are executing concurrently. Then why did I call here thread.sleep? Spelling wrong. Where spelling? Class name spelling wrong. Method spelling wrong. Why did I call this sleep method? Tell me, after deposit withdraw operations completed, I want to know current balance. Account 1, current balance. Account 2, current balance. Account 3, current balance. Okay. For knowing that current balance, here I think we no need to print account 1 10,000. Okay, already the same thing is there, not required. After deposit operations completed, balance we are printing. If you complete, I will run this code. Completed? Everyone understood? Look at here. 3,000 deposited in account 4567. 2,000 withdraw from 424321. 5,000 deposited in account 1234. Okay. Now tell me, after look at the current balance 15,000. 5,000 deposited. 1 second, let me write. Account 1, the account number can I get? I am overriding toString method here for printing account number. Okay. Later you can do yourself. Or else let me write here itself. Account number current balance. I am removing this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 current balance 15,000. 4, 5, 6, 7 current balance 23,000. And 4, 3, 2, 1 current balance 28,000. Hey, what is happening? Okay. For better clarity, I have written like this. Okay, 4536, 4567, 20,000, 3,000 deposited, totally 23,000. Okay, and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 hold balance, 5,000 deposited, total amount is 15,000. 4, 3, 2, 1, withdraw 2,000, 30,000 minus 2,000, 20. Yeah, everything going correctly now? Hope you understood the project. Will you try again? Now is the time you have to utilize ChatGPT effectively. Okay. Now minimum 2 projects you must practice by your own. Okay. You have to try like this. Develop projects with real business with real business examples with object oriented programming, exception handling, and what do you call multi-thread. Retail order processing system. Super. Okay. Retail order processing system. A production style console based mini project that demonstrates object oriented programming, exceptions, and multi threading with real business flow, product inventory, order validation, payments, and fulfillment. Okay. This project, if you spend the time on understand, then you will get full clarity. You can use this project as your mini project. Okay. What is this project showcase? Oops. What is the content? Clean domain model, customer, product, order, item, payment, services, inventory, service, order, service, interfaces and strategies, payment gateway, and what do you call implementations and small pattern strategy, factory, DTO, enums. Wow, super. Exception handling, validation errors, out of stock, payment failures with rollback and clear error message, usages, try catch finally, custom exceptions and convention to use user facing messages. Next, multi-threading, blocking queue plus a pool of order processor workers, consumer thread. The main thread acts as a producer and queuing order, thread safe inventory with logs. Oh, so many points. Okay, com.hk world. So bro, more or less. ChatGPT is identified my name and my world, HK world. Okay, super, no? App concurrency exception packages. These are model, service, util. How the system works, business flow. Okay, build and run. JDK 7 or later. No external libraries are required. Compile, run. Source code. Copy each file to the indicated path of project package. Package decorators are included. Okay. App dot. Okay. It's a huge project. Wonderful. Love the ChatGPT. Will you try to understand this? At least by end of our core Java next chapter is completed. Will you try to understand this project? Want me data tip to Zoom or food delivery, car rent or writing part Oracle via JDBC servlet Spring Boot next. So this project you can enhance. Okay. I will share this link in the Google Classroom. Copy link. Okay. Will you try and try to enhance this project? At least by end of next chapter is completed, spend the time. You know how much effectively you ChatGPT, that much effectively you can build the code and project and understanding. This is ChatGPT link, directly click, you will come to there. Now I'm uploading the two projects. Okay. That's all for today class, guys. Will you practice this today, tomorrow? Tomorrow also no class. I am traveling to Hyderabad tomorrow. Next class will be on Monday, as usual, offline, online. Okay, now? Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. See you on tiffin ఏంట ఉప్మా. Bye.